one of the most magical places in Fukuoka. Is it worth visiting? When I arrived near PayPay Dome, thousands of baseball fans were gathering for the day game. Even without a ticket, the energy outside the stadium was amazing. Since my destination was teamLab Forest, I continued my walk, but the atmosphere alone made this area feel alive. The moment I stepped inside, it felt like entering another world. Every room had a different interactive artwork. What I loved most is that you're not just looking at the art, you become part of it. If you're visiting Fukuoka, I think teamLab Forest is one of those places that's worth experiencing at least once. It was a completely different kind of museum.